for today, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna paint our hair.
We're gonna use the do-it-yourself rainbow hair painting kit.
From me.
This is Kayla's gift, a gift that she got.
From my brother.
Okay, what's inside that? Can you tell us what's inside? The paint, Missy. We have here the color paints for
And
the
then the
hair.
brush and then the paint thing.
The mixing bowl. Say mixing bowl. Who's gonna do it first? You or me? You. Okay. So we're gonna try it first on Malia. Yay.
Can I do it on Malia?
Sure.
Because I'm
Open it.
excited to get messy. I love getting messy.
Kayla's gonna do Malia's hair.
Because I love getting
What
messy.
color do you want? The color pink.
Yeah,
Okay. This is just a temporary hair color. So after they rinse it,
It's gone.
it's gonna be gone because it's washable.
Like the paint.
Yeah, aside from that, the box also has the instruction paper where it says you just have to tap it on the dry hair. And then voila! There's a color! And it also has the extra storage bags para if there's an excess hair color paint, we can put it here. But I guess we won't have one because the three of them is gonna color their hair. Open it and then put it in the mixing bowl. Actually, you can mix colors if you want to. But Malia wants a pink one.
Yeah, I'm gonna mix.
How I wish you guys wore dark colored
Oh.
clothes.
It's so ewy, Mama. It's okay. It's easy for me because she has short hair.
And we have here, this is not part of the package, but we have here section clips. Para we can section the hair of Malia.
We don't really need to because she has
Nice. Just one strand, huh? Why are you crying?
Okay, done. Look at it. You see? Look at that.
Oh, it's color pink. My turn. I'm gonna fix it.
Can you hold this for your mama?
Wow, it's amazing. Look at this, guys. Her hair turned color pink.
BTS.
Oh, what are you gonna do?
It's like brushing your hair with pink. I'm not really jealous. I wonder how it feel like when I'm doing it.
What did you do with it? Sa front lang.
I can see the pink. Where's the other colors ate?
Sit down here.
Purple pala to.
Ate, di okay ako.
Ayun o, ayun o, may pink pa yun. Okay, here you go. And
Sit down here.
Please don't get it on my coat. The last coat I have here.
Wait lang. Where's the clip? Give me some clip, Ate.
It tickles very much. Oh my gosh, I saw that in my hair in the video. I'm just painting my hands. Please don't knock my clothes for me.
Ay, ganda na kulay, Kayla.
Ganda ka hair.
Maganda yung kulay niya.
Ha? May bright na may
It looks
ano.
like...
Ayan, nakaka-BTS mo yan.
Tingnan ko sweet. Marami.
Ayun yun.
Isa pa.
Kasya naman sa inyo.
Maria!
Sa inyong tatlo.
Mukha na.
Thank you so much, Maria!
Judy is doing great!
I think you're better than me, Maria.
Whoa!
Oh, that color is so good. It's so cold, actually.
What does it feel?
It feels ticklish and ouchy in the other side. This side, ouchy, and this side.
Eh kasi your hair is so messy.
No.
This one is actually nice.
Ate, do you want me to do your hair like this?
Yeah, just hide it.
I love doing highlights. If this does not come off when I go home, my mom and
Your mom knows.
Kayla,
no,
look.
my dad will be so angry.
Kayla, look here. Liam, look.
Yeah, we need a little bit. Hey, Maria, I'll
Mag-yellow ka ba?
Meron pang orange dito. Ate? Hey, Maria, I'll mix it. Okay, we're making it yellow. I'm very scared of this.
Kira.
put that in.
Be, go.
Open this. Don't be scared of it. 'Cause one day, they shall look ready. This hairstyle will be good. And then if someone, no, like that. If someone I see Silas do this, so can you watch this and this? May orange pa kayo. See you later.
Say bye.
Bye.
Can I see your hair? Say bye. Thank you for watching.
Bye bye. 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 Thank you for watching.
Keep your hair.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.